Welcome student, standard 10th, subjects mathematics part 1, and today we are in the first chapter, linear equations in two variables. But student, we have learned Cramer's rule, determinant method, graphical method, elimination method for solving the linear equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equations. The use of these simultaneous equations in science and technology as well as mathematics in future, that is to solve the world problems. World problems are solved by using such simultaneous equations. But there is a topic before world problem in your textbook. The name of that topic is the equations reducible in the linear equations in two variables form. But this topic is omitted from your syllabus for this current educational year. So there is no any question on the reducible equations in your exam. So we are going to learn the world problems, how to prepare your knowledge to solve world problems. Because if you understand the method of solving world problems, there is very enjoyable feeling for you that you got something from mathematics. Because when world problems are given, regularly student did not try something about to solve it. But if you know a proper method, if you know a proper ideas how to solve this such problems, then you will got very easy moments to understand such type of problems. Now we directly go how to prepare world problem and how to make equations, and these equations when you make after assuming some variables, then that equations you can solve by Cramer's rule, determinant method or elimination method, what method you did want to solve it. There is no any criteria that such method is not asked for you. You can use any method, which method you can understand very well. So there is one activity in your textbook on page number 20 about the age of Sarthak and what is his friend's name? Sakshi. Age of Sarthak and age of Sakshi. Let us assume that age of Sakshi y years, small y I use here as a variable, and age of Sarthak x years. After assuming their age x and y, age of Sarthak be x years and age of Sakshi be y years. Then in this activity there are some conditions given, and using that conditions, using these variables, you can fill the boxes. I am giving you a simple condition. What is the age of Sakshi and Sarthak after 5 years? What is the age of Sarthak and Sakshi after 5 years? Today's age of Sarthak is x years. After 5 years he will become x plus 5 years. Today's age of Sakshi is y years. After 5 years she will become y plus 5 years. So this is very interesting. After means addition, previous means subtraction, double means multiplication, ratio means division. Such type of words in your world problem are given, and you have to convert that words into mathematical equations. Mathematical equations if you form, then give number 1 and 2 as a number to them and try to solve by your regular method. So here, what is the first condition about age of Sarthak? Sarthak's age is less by 8 than double the age of Sakshi. Whose age is less than 8? Sarthak's age. So Sarthak's age is now x. X is, this x is less than 8. Less means minus. Less than 8. By means the age of Sakshi. Double the age of Sakshi. Double means 2. The age of Sakshi means y. Age of Sakshi means y. Sarthak's age is less than 8 by double's age of Sakshi. Therefore, what is first equation you form here? X, this 2y comes here, minus 2y is equal to minus 8. This is your equation number 1. What is second condition? The second condition is the sum of present ages of Sarthak and Sakshi is 25 years. What are their present ages? X and Y. So sum of their present ages, that is X, sum means plus, Y is equal to how many years? 25. This is the answer for your activity on page number 20. The sum of their ages, sum of their today's age is equal to 25. Next, 4 years ago, Sakshi's age was 3 less than Sarthak's age at that time. 4 years ago, पूर्वी, 4 वर्षापूर्वी सार्थकचं वय साक्षीच्या वयाच्या अशा पद्धतीची कंडिशन आहे. मग ती पूर्वी म्हणलं तर मायनस, आणि त्या टायमाचं वय त्याचं सुद्धा मायनस असणार, तिचं जसं मायनस दिलंय तसं. कंडिशननुसार एक इक्वेशन तयार करू. ह्या चौकटीमध्ये आपल्याला ते भरायचं आहे. ही बरोबर चिन्ह मध्यभागी टाकायचं. व्हॉट इज द कंडिशन हिअर? 4 years ago, Sakshi's age was 3 less than Sarthak's age at that time. 4 years ago, both 4 years ago, Sarthak and Sakshi. Sarthak and Sakshi means 4 years ago, Sakshi's age, y. 4 years ago, ago means 4 minus. 4 years ago, the age of Sakshi is y minus 4, and 4 years ago, Sarthak's age is x minus 4, and this age minus 3. 3 years less than that times age of Sarthak. So this is your answer for activity 1, 2 and 3 brackets. You complete that activity from textbook and write in your notebook. So today's homework for you, आजचा तुम्हाला या टॉपिकवरचा अभ्यास असा आहे की ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी जशीच्या तशी वहीमध्ये लिहा आणि मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे त्यामध्ये चौकटी भरा. आपण पुढच्या तासाला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.5 मधील शाब्दिक उदाहरणांची उदाहरणं तयार करून कशी सोडवायची ते पाहू. तर भेटूया पुढच्या तासिकेला. थँक्यू स्टुडंट.